So, darling, this week what I want to do is to be just a little bit more countryphile.
A little bit
I want to be a bit more like Matt. So, welcome to this week's vlog from Devoke water. The normal format this week, no more gorillas, darling. No more gorilla vlogs this time.
So today's wild swim was in the third tarn that I've swum in, and you literally can't touch the bottom after about 5 feet. So I decided to swim out to the rocks. A little bit scary, but I loved it.
And as well as Tracy being really brave, I've done some pretty epic filming as well, haven't I, darling? I've done some pretty epic videography. But you actually swam a long way, didn't you?
It was quite a long way for me.
So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notifications button. There's not going to be an awkward ending. I've got it nailed now. So till next time, stay safe.